Hi everybody, this is Jen, and I wanted to share with you my ASC design team project. That's asccraftsupplies.com or ASC supplies on Etsy. Use Scrapping Posh 10 for 10% off your normal price purchase. This is a 4x5 by 2-inch spine ATC album. So using the Graphic 45 Curiouser and Curiouser collection. And I pieced together the front. And each page is the same, so it's going to be a really quick flip through. I did use a sticker here, and this is one of my scrap albums. So once I did my big albums, and you'll see those coming, I use this. So there's a spot for ATC tag here, and you flip it over, and there's a spot here. And each page is the same. So the idea behind this is just to put ATC cards in it. So whoever will be getting this, or maybe I'll keep it, will be putting ATC cards in it. Just to save your collection, and then you can always add, flaps or whatever if you have ATC cards that have too much dimension to go into the pockets. But I used the Tweedledee and Tweedledum on the back cover, and then on the very back I used this chipboard heart piece, which I love. And then the spine was pretty busy, so I left it like that. And that is the end of the ASC Graphic 45 Curiouser and Curiouser flip through of my ATC album. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye-bye.